What is going on, guys? Today we'll be looking at Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 2. I hope you make an informed decision on whether this power bank is for you. Before we get started, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't for more reviews, unboxings and tutorials. Let's begin by discussing how this power bank is designed. This power bank comes in both silver and black. It has a full aluminium body, which is said to be resistant to corrosion, scratches, dents and discoloration. From my use, these claims hold up. However, only time will tell whether there is any discoloration. The Mi Power Bank 2 certainly looks like a luxury product with this aluminium body, especially with this silver version. It doesn't have that cheap feel which many other power banks do. With a minimalistic, yet premium-like build, there isn't anything negative to comment about on the design. Size and weight are neither a problem. It is 14mm thick and weighs 207 grams. When charging my phone, I can fit both in one pocket without any issue. Now let's have a look at its functions. This Mi Power Bank 2 can be used to charge both devices that require large amounts of energy and smaller devices. By double pressing the power button, the power bank can be changed to lower power charging mode. Devices such as smartwatches and desk fans can be charged and used with this mode. I was able to charge my phone 3 times from empty to full before needing to recharge the power bank. Phones which use fast charging, such as the Samsung Galaxy S8, can also benefit as this power bank supports 2-way fast charging. Now, one of the only real downsides for this power bank for most users would be the micro USB port instead of the USB Type-C port. Since the future of phones is moving towards Type-C connections, it has become commonplace for tech accessories to also follow this trend. Luckily for you, there is an identical power bank called the Mi Power Bank Pro, which replaces the micro USB with a Type-C input. Also, depending on your phone usage, you may prefer having 2 USB Type-A inputs to dual charge phones, especially if you have a separate work phone. Overall, this is a very good power bank, one which I would strongly recommend to upgrade to. For those who still use micro USB for charging, this is definitely a must-have accessory. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below on your favorite power bank. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and whatever you do, don't forget to keep it real.